Hey everybody, this is Rich, Katie, down along the river, Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Today what we're going to do for you is a grilled filet mignon with a shrimp Oscar topping. Now the reason I'm breaking off and doing some fancy stuff like this today is because I actually, on one of our last live video chats, I shouted out for a collaboration, if anybody was in the mood for a collaboration, and Mr. Chris Stuckey of Bottlecap Barbeque hit me up and said, hey, let's do a filet mignon collaboration. So, what we got for today is, for you guys that know, that there's a Wegmans local, kinda, about 35 minutes away, around where I work. So I got two choice filet mignon. They didn't have prime, so these are still going to be equally as good. They have a little bit of an age on them, I think, maybe 20 some days. All right guys, I want you to check out Chris's video. It should be up here in the iCard above. I don't know what he's doing. I have seen a picture and I know it looks awesome. So guys, stick with me and we'll go ahead and get these fillets going. Check him out. All right guys, we're gonna get some of our stuff ready for our shrimp Oscar, and we're simply just going to use 2.5 tablespoons of real mayonnaise, any kind if you prefer, any kind that you want. Okay. 2. We'll go almost 3, but 2.5 would work. What's next? We're going to do 2.5 tablespoons of sour cream or creme fraiche, whatever you have handy. And 2.5 tablespoons of sour cream or creme fraiche. 1, 2. And we have this here, but any Dijon mustard would work. We're going to use this right here. 2 teaspoons. 1 and 2. Hey guys, we got our sour cream, mayonnaise, and Dijon mustard. We're just going to give her a quick to do here together. We'll put it in the refrigerator. And we will see you in a little bit. All right, guys, it's time to get into these choice fillets from Wegmans. So let's get these things unpeeled. All right, guys, look at these fillets. We're zoomed in as hard as we could. And these things look phenomenal. I mean, so we'll get these things seasoned up. And what we're going to use is we're just simply going to use a real light coating of our River Dirt All-Purpose. Should get on all edges of the steak. Both sides. It's real light because I don't want to kill the flavor of the Oscar. So there's that. Ooh. All right, what we'll do is we're going to leave these sit around in the fridge for a little while we get the shrimp cooked up, which we already skewered. We'll see you outside. All right, folks, we got our shrimp on for when we make our grilled shrimp Oscar sauce topping. So we'll get you back to you when we get our steaks on. All right, guys, look at them color of them steaks. Look at that, wow. So we got our slow and sear fire. Oh, we got our slow and sear. We got our grill grates fired up. Ooh. We got our grill grates fired up, and we're going to go ahead and put these steaks on. All right, guys, we got our great grill grates smoking hot. Listen to that. There we go. We're going to let this thing go for 4 or so minutes, and we're going to turn it. We'll get back to you when we flip it over. All right, folks, we just turned that filet mignon. Look at the color, look at the grill marks that thing's got. This thing is screaming hot. We're doing 4 minutes. So that's to about 16 minutes. I want that thing about medium inside. So we're gonna see you on the cutting board. All right, folks, we got our steaks on the cutting board resting. Look beautiful. Now we're gonna come over here and we are going to dump our celery and our shallots in our skillet. And we'll get back to you for 2-3 minutes, and we'll put the garlic in. All right, everybody, it's been 2 to 3 minutes. We're now going to add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. There you go, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. About 2 cloves is what they call for, so yeah, about 2 teaspoons. So we're going to give this a stir here. Just stir around for another minute or so, and we'll add the rest of it. All right, folks, we're back, and we're going to fresh squeeze. Calls 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. So we're going to get the lemon juice in. All right, folks, time to add in our shrimp to our mix. There you go. Give this a stir. Cover it all up. Might be a little too much. It said, I think, a pound, but you know, you never get too stingy with shrimp. So. All right, folks, we'll leave this catch up. All right, folks, instead of add hot sauce, we are going to add a little bit of River Dirt Hot and Spicy in lieu of the hot sauce. There we go. And that's it, folks. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and that'll be it. And we'll see you when we plate this dish up. All right, folks, we got our shrimp mixture good to go. We're going to transfer it to this bowl right here. Right there. Sure you get all that goodness out of there, all that garlic, celery, and onions, or shallot, we're sorry. So there's that there. And then what we're gonna do is, here's our mayonnaise mixture. You can't see that. Our mayonnaise mixture, lighting's horrible. And we're gonna take it, and we're just gonna stir it into this. So our sour cream, our mayonnaise, and our Dijon mustard. Alright, what we're going to do is give this a mix, and we'll see you when we plate up. Alright, so folks, we have our shrimp mixture, and we're going to go ahead and hit on our steak here. Man, it smells great, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
Alright, so we're just going to, do the old top it over the edge there. And this smells phenomenal. I really don't want to drown the steak, but man, it looks great, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and cover the steak. I want to thank Chris Stuckey over at Bottlecap Barbeque for giving me the chance to show off. It's not just about barbecue. We can do some good stuff on the stove top too. So there's that. And a little, a couple little, if you want some presentation on there. Looky there.
There you go.
Boy, we're getting awful posh here on the river today.
So fancy.
So fancy. Got shrimp. Put one more on there for good aesthetics. There we go. There it is, folks. Voila. There it is. A grilled filet mignon with crab Oscar. So we're going to get into this thing.
Shrimp Oscar.
Yeah, shrimp Oscar. My bad. Shrimp Oscar. And we're going to give this thing a taste test. All right, guys. We're going to cut into this steak right here. And I'm hoping we got the doneness that we want. We're gonna cut right down the middle of the steak here with our Gunther Wilhelm. Oh man!
Did you get it?
Oh, you guys can get a good look at that. That's how I eat my steak right there. That's a good medium rare. We lost the shrimp. We're gonna go ahead and get a good taste test of this thing right here. Right. And Miss Katie's gonna fix herself up one over there. Wow. Looks amazing. Look at that, folks. Hope I'm getting a shot. Should be.
No, down a little bit. Oh, back up. Right there.
All right, there you go, folks. Look at that. All right, guys. That bite I showed you is coming up again. Oh, man. I know. There it is. So. Wow.
You want a napkin, honey?
I don't know. I want to finish my steak.
Nice
God.
video and you can finish your steak.
I know, right? It's just good. All right, guys. One more taste. Wow. That grilled beef taste, the river dirt, the mayonnaise, the sour cream, a lot of lemon, the garlic, it all melds well together. Guys, try this out. I'll leave the recipe in the description box to show more. Thank you so much, Chris, at Bottlecap Barbeque for wanting to do this collaboration. Smash hit. Smashed it out of the park right here. So check out Bottlecap Barbeque. I'll leave his link in the description box. Hopefully you would have saw his video by now. So, and if you want some of that river dirt, hot and spicy, you saw us using this recipe right here. A little bit of heat coming, not a whole bunch. Delicious. richesriverbarbecue.com is where you can find it. So guys, share this with your friends and family in the world. And make sure you cook your girlfriend something wife nice on Valentine's Day. This is a good meal to fix on Valentine's Day. Just a heads up. I got my brownie points in early. So share with your friends and family. And share it with the world. And what are you going to tell them?
Best barbecue comes from the river.
The best barbecue comes from the river. And the rest river comes from the barbecue. So we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you, Chris.